City of Homestead How-To Video Series.
Hi there. In this video, I am going to show how to accomplish the transmittal of the daily Western Union payments into Naviline Cash Receipts. I am about to show you 3 steps to accomplish this. 1. Format the data to make it work with Naviline. 2. Upload this data to Naviline. 3. Process the data to create a cash receipts batch. If you're first starting with this process, make sure you have the Daily File Transfers folder on your desktop. Visit the Customer Service Department share, then Daily File Transfer Process folder. Make a copy of the Daily Transfers folder and paste it onto your desktop. Open the Western Union and then open the Data Files folder. Within it, launch the File Format Prep Excel file. Open alongside it any Excel file containing the Western Union payments. Shift-select from the first cell all the way to the bottom corner cell of the data. Copy it. Switch back to the File Format Prep Excel file and paste the data. Hit Alt plus F8 together at the same time on your keyboard to bring up this pop-up. Just click Run. The data will get automatically reformatted in a way that Naviline will accept. Choose Save As. Important: change the file format to CSV. Give it a name that shows yesterday's date since the payments were for yesterday. Also, make sure it is saving into the Data Files folder. Hit Save. Feel free to hit OK past this message, and then close out Excel. Next, launch the data transfer program called Lockbox Upload. Click on Browse and select your new Excel file. Click on Start Transfer. The data is now sitting on Naviline. Feel free to close out the data transfer. At this point, you still have to process the uploaded file. Visit Cash Receipts, then the menu called Create Lockbox Payment Batch. For Western Union, you will notice that it says Yes in the Data Loaded column because of your previous upload. Just double-click anywhere on this line to process it. At this point, you will see the newly created Cash Receipts batch for Western Union alongside your name. Your final step in this process will be to save the resulting cash receipts reports. Go to Outputs and identify the most recent CR reports. Select Display as PDF on the first report and hit OK. It will open in a new tab. Choose Download. Browse to the Data Transfer folder on your desktop, then Western Union, then Reports shortcut. Create a folder for today and save it in there. Close the PDF and do the same steps for the next report. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.